Exercise Red Flag is an exercise run by the US Air Force, and it gives the RAF the opportunity to train with key partners, in this case the US Air Force and the Royal Australian Air Force, on the world's premier air combat exercise. This year the RAF's deployed 14 aircraft, so 12 Typhoons, 1 Rivet John and 1 Voyager, and 450 people from the RAF's whole force. It's always a fantastic opportunity to work with partners. Training alongside the Australians and the Americans means that we can test ourselves alongside them and learn together, and ultimately allows us to compete and to win against any adversary.